Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this daily newspaper of Wednesday, September the 2nd, 2020. The third regular Sudoku is a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. Let me position the camera. Yes, focus this. Alright, this Sudoku will be number 1449. Yes, and this killer Sudoku, let me see my strategy. The first strategy to find a big square with only one sharing box. For example, this one with one sharing box. Here also one with one sharing box. Here also one with one sharing box. Here also one with one sharing box. Do we have columns with one sharing box? No. I see here a big square, and here also a complete big square. So if you count all these numbers, you will come out with 45. The total sum of a big square or a column or a row is always 45. Here also a complete one. So we have 4 big squares with only one sharing box. Alright, so let's get started. 14 plus 11 plus 11 is 36. 36 plus 8. 36 plus 8 is 44. 44. 40. The total sum of a big square is 45. 45 minus 44 is a 1. The combination here. I see here a row with only one sharing box. This one, the box of 10, the combination here will be 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 3 times and 11, 33 plus 10. 33 plus 10 is 43. 43, that means 45 minus 43 is a 2. That means in the box of 9, the combination will be 2 plus 7. Let me see, one sharing box, so let me count all the numbers. 7, 18, 28. 28 plus 9 is 37. 37, that means this box. 45 minus 37 is an 8. 17, 28, 37. Yes, the combination here in the box of 14 will be 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Yes. Here we have one sharing box in this big square. 7 plus 13, 20. 20 plus 13, 33. Plus 9 is equal to 42. 42, that means 45 minus 42 is a 3. The combination in a box of 8 will be 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. We have in this row one sharing box, so 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 7 is 24, plus 12 is 36. 36, that means this box 45 minus 36 is a 9. So the combination in the box of 13 will be 9 plus 4. This big square with only one sharing box, 9 plus 7 is 20, 20 plus 15 is 35, 35 plus 8 is 33. 43, that means this should be a 2. 43 plus 2 is 45. Yes, here the combination will be 2 plus 1. Alright, so the next strategy, I have all the single boxes now. Can we see here boxes with only one combination? For example, in this big square, the box of 15, there are two combinations for the box of 15, 9 plus 6 or 8 plus 7. The 9 is already used, so one combination is left, the 8 plus 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, the 8 goes in there. Two numbers left. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Here the combination will be 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 2 boxes left. In the box of 8, the 5 and the 3. Let me mark them. I cannot fill this yet. 2 boxes left in the first row. Box of 12, box of 9. The 2 is missing in this row. I cannot put the 2 in a box of 12, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 10. 10 is not allowed, so the 2 goes here in a box of 9. The combination will be 2 plus 7. 7 and 2. The other box for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. 8 of 4, 8 of 4. Alright, this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 1. I cannot put a 1 in a box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 12. 12 is not allowed, so the 1 goes in the box of 7. We see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 goes there. The combination will be 1 plus 6. 2 boxes left for the box of 13. The 8 and the 9, the 4 and the 5. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes, so the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. The combination will be 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. The other 2 boxes, 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 9 plus 4, that means we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1 box left, this should be a 3. 1 box left in the third row for the number 4. No, 4 we have here, 9 and 4. This should be the number 3. 3 is missing. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12 in this triple box. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 6, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. Then 2, 6. 2, 6, 2 plus 9. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. The combination will be 1 plus 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above, so in that row the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, the second column is on the third column. The only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. If I place the 1 here in this triple box of 15, then 1 box left. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then I need a number 12 to complete this triple box. 12 is not allowed, so the 1 cannot be here. The 1 should be in the box of 5. The combination here will be 1 plus 4. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 9. 1 box left in this column for the number 6. 6 is missing. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15 in this triple box. 2 boxes left, the box of 14 and the box of 11. If I place the one of the missing number here in this big square is a 9, and if I place the 9 in the box of 11, then the combination will be 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. The 2 is already used here, so the 9 cannot be in the box of 11. The 9 should be in the box of 14. The combination will be 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5. The other boxes are reserved for the numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We have a 7 now, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be the 2. Then here in the box of 10, the combination will be 1 plus 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 5. 1 box left in this second column for the number 8. No, 6. 6. Yeah, 6 is missing. In the box of 11, the combination will be 6 plus 5. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. The 1 we have in the box of 9, so the combination will be 1 plus 8. And then 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9, then 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, so the 9 could be here or there in the box of 13. The combination will be 9 plus 4. Let me mark them for you. 9 plus 4. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 5 and 3. 5 and 3. 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need to wait. 4 and 7. Need to wait. How about 6, 6, 2. Yeah. Let me think. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. I cannot place an 8 in the box of 8, otherwise the combination will be 8 plus 0. 0 is not allowed, so the 8 should be there. The combination in the box of 11 will be 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. One box left in this row for the number 5. 5 is missing. And then 3. 3 cannot be here. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 5. Let me think. 4. Yeah. This box, we have a triple box here, -1. These two together should be a 12. In this row, one of the missing numbers is 2. I cannot place a 2 in a box of 12. Otherwise, 2 plus 10 plus 1 is 13. So the 2 cannot be in one of these two boxes. The 2 should be here. The combination will be 2 plus 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 5. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. 7 plus 5 is 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 2. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 6 and 5. 6 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. The combination in the box of 8 should be 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Here the combination in the box of 14 will be 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. We have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9 and this should be a 4. One number left in this column should be the number 3. The combination here in the box of 11 will be 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be a 3. One number left in this row for the number 8. One number left in this triple box. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be an 8. One number left in this column for the number 7. One number left, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there and 4 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you next time with the extra Sudokus. So bye bye for now.